What's going on, everyone? It's Buddy here, and today we have our 2001 Chevy Blazer, and we have a real rough idle going on. Now, I did a little troubleshooting to figure out what the issue is, and I figured out it is our mass airflow sensor. I'm going to show you guys how to figure that out. So you can see everything's running smooth. It's running at about 700 RPMs, nothing crazy. Now watch when I plug this in. Getting some real rough idling here. So obviously it is our mass airflow sensor. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove this and we're going to clean it. And if that doesn't work, we're going to replace it. Now obviously there is multiple reasons for a rough idle. So I definitely recommend that you check this first. To remove the mass airflow sensor, you want to take off this hose clamp here. And on the other side there's another hose clamp. Now all you're going to do is just wiggle it out. And then wiggle it out. Now to clean your mass airflow sensor, you're going to want to spray these three little sensors here. You're going to want to spray them with mass airflow sensor cleaner. You're not going to want to spray them with any kind of WD or brake cleaner. You're going to ruin it completely. You might as well just buy a new one if you're planning on doing that. Stuff's cheap. It's only about $8, so I recommend that you try it before you buy a new one entirely. How you're going to want to clean it, you're going to want to shake up the can for about 10 seconds and then give all three little sensors a nice cleaning. Wait for it to dry. It does dry out pretty quickly. After about 10-15 seconds, you go ahead and hit them again. And then you're going to want to turn it to the other side and spray them from the back. Now we're going to give this about 20 minutes to dry, and then we're going to reinstall it. Alright, so it's been about 20 minutes. It's time to reinstall our mass airflow sensor. And don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful at all. Alright, so it's the moment of truth. It's time to start the car up and see if we fix the rough idle. Alright, so it looks like that didn't fix the rough idle. We're going to have to replace the mass airflow sensor altogether. So stay tuned. The link will be in the description on how to change your mass airflow sensor. And also, guys, don't forget to subscribe. I have a lot of really cool videos already on my channel, like how to repair a curb rash on your rim, also how to paint your rim and brake calipers, how to paint your car and get a professional looking result with nothing but spray cans, how to repair scratches on your car at home with no expensive tools, and much more. So be sure to subscribe and leave me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video.